Recording.
Okay, I just started off my video.
Yes. I hope I'm visible to you.
Yes, visible.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. How has the day been so far?
Today was a special day for me because today I named our daughter. She's three-month old. I named her
Oh,
Ritika because she was born on the day that Chandrayaan landed. So Ritvika means
okay.
moon. That's why we named her Ritvika.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's an important day for you, like you're celebrating today?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay, sure. Yeah, before we proceed, would you mind introducing yourself?
Yes, my name is Paramanand. I'm from Maharashtra. I belong to Buldhana district. We have a special lunar crater. It was created by impact of meteoroid back in Pleistocene epoch. So these are very unique geographical phenomena which are observed only in few places such as Brazil and in India. It is the only place where this lake exists. This is in our district, Buldhana district. So this is my brief
Okay.
introduction.
Okay, nice. So as you know, my name is Shanta. I'm working as a tutor of spoken English. I work for a platform. By qualification, I'm a software engineer. I live in Karnataka, and I've recently started my YouTube channel. That's pretty much about me.
Yes,
Yeah,
since
yeah.
yes, I also started my YouTube channel couple of weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
So
When exactly?
the main goal of my channel is to teach underprivileged kids, especially those living in temporary huts on roadside.
Mm-hmm.
I teach them and prepare them so that they can attend the regular government school.
Mm-hmm. So, what exactly do you teach?
I teach them basic alphabets, teach them to read and write and basic numeracy. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
I also,
So they're quite old, right? I happened to watch one of your videos, and the kids are quite grown up, maybe around 6 or 7 years old.
yes, some of them are 5 years, some of them are even 10-year-old, 15-year-old, and I'm also planning to teach their parents as well because they are illiterate, and if they become literate, they can have their own employment of some sort. So this is the
Mm.
plan.
Oh, okay, okay, very nice. So their level of education varies, right? If it's a 5-year-old kid, 6-year-old kid, or you're saying they're even 10 or 11. So how do you exactly train them? Because you do you also start off with alphabets for older children?
Yes, everybody differs in wage, but the level is the same because nobody knows how to hold a pen. They have never seen a notebook. They live in hut, temporary hut. They haven't seen anything. They even don't know what is school. So I'm teaching them in my capacity. I don't have a formal training in teaching, but I have passion for teaching, so I'll teach them anyhow.
Okay, that's quite different. I'm getting to listen to. After they grow up when they are 10 or 11, is it possible for them to get into a formal school?
Yes, yes, definitely. Even one of the parents who had just qualified 8th standard, I'm planning to again, revise him all the alphabets and numeracy and admit him to the NIO school, National Open School, so that he can complete his 10th standard and he can be, employable in some sort. And
Hmm.
those children who have, fluency in reading and writing, they can be admitted to the respective classrooms according to their age.
Mhm. Okay, so what is your qualification exactly?
Actually, I'm graduate in Ayurveda. I'm a master in Ayurveda. I practice Ayurveda
Okay,
in nearby
okay.
town.
So what is your thing with teaching?
Teaching, it's always been my thing. I don't know how it came to me. Even my father is a primary teacher. Even when I was in 10th standard, 12th standard, I used to go in my father's school. I used to teach kids there. I used to teach my younger brothers. I used to teach
Mm-hmm.
whoever comes across, even my patients. Even I bore them with my teaching skill or whatever you call it. If suppose
Right.
sometimes I take a history for a long time, the kids around them might feel bored. So I just simply ask them question: What is 1 coulomb? What is Ohm's law? Simply 1 or 2 sentences, and I just explain that thing into few sentences. So this
Mm-hmm.
idea I have picked up from a great scientist. You must have heard of him, Richard Feynman.
Mm.
Feynman the Feynman technique says that if you understand something, if you can explain that thing to a 5-year-old, then
Mm.
only it's said that you understood that thing very well. Otherwise, you don't understand that well enough. So this
Mm.
base of kids has helped me in my teaching career, my communication skill, and all other skills.
Mm. So does a 5-year-old understand what you're teaching?
Sometimes even I find it difficult to translate that thing into 5 years language. Suppose if I have to
Mm.
explain a complex thing such as planetary motion to a 5-year-old or
Yes.
gravitation, I might find it difficult, but I will try to give some analogy according to his age, so that he at least he gets an overall idea regarding the
Mm.
concept.
And do you have separate batches according to the age group?
No, I just started literally. I just woke up one day morning. I had an epiphany. Literally, I had an epiphany. I woke up. I decided to. I went. Generally, I go. I pass by the huts, the temporary huts, quite a no, quite a few times.
Mm.
But I
Mm.
never had the courage to cross that boundary and ask them
Yes.
actually.
Mm.
Did it because of one incident. I'll tell you that incident. A short story. On 30th October last month, I met with an accident. I collided with a stationary tractor at night, about 8:30 at night. So because of the helmet, I was saved. My life was literally saved. So you can say this is my second birth. This is my second life. So I want this life to be utilized the way I want, not according to my family's wishes or someone else's dream.
Right, right. And are the parents encouraging to send their children to you to learn? No? Yeah, I guessed it.
They are like Paran's father in 3 Idiots. They are
Mm.
hesitating now. They will. They will appreciate the. They'll appreciate my effort someday.
So how do you convince them to come to you and learn? Because according to me, whoever lives in the huts, they want their children also to go make some money for them. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the mentality of lower middle class or the people living in the huts. They want their children also to earn and get some money. So sending them to study that too with some random person, it's very difficult to convince. So yeah, you tell me your version of it.
Yes. I'm not only teaching them, but also enabling them to self-employ. Look, once
Mm.
they start reading and write, their parents start reading and write, we have some kind of understanding amongst ourselves. So I'll give you an example. How will I empower them? I'll buy some, carrot of fruits and fix the price. I'll put 2 kids there with fixed price. I'll tell them I'll put 1 kg of each fruits standard package. And you have to sell this for this price. That's it. Nothing more, nothing
Mm.
less. I'll pay them some money, suppose 200 rupees per day or 500 rupees per day, fixed amount. So they will work for me and I'll earn money and they will also learn how to stand on their own feet. This is
Mm.
the may work, it might not work, but I'll try it. I'll try it and it will work. Even some of those kids they go on begging. So I want to stop that. It's better to sell fruits than to beg.
Mm. So you're also teaching them and you're also paying them in return.
Exactly. And well, the ladies who come, I always insist their parents to come along with them. So I'm planning to buy
Mm.
some machines, to stitch clothes, some ironing machine so that I can iron the clothes instead of doing some temporary jobs. So I have very, hundreds of ideas which I'll try to execute that, but let's see how it goes.
Yeah. And the most difficult part is your family supportive of what you do?
Look, they are against it, but they will act as a antibody for me, antigen for me. They are acting as antigen in a body that will make my immunity stronger, my resolve more stronger. Even with that responsibility, I'll fight till the end. I'll complete my family responsibility. I'll earn money, and still I'll devote that time to the needy people. So they are not, they will give me strength indirectly.
Mm. So are you also practicing Ayurveda along with this?
Yes, I am practicing Ayurveda.
Now, how do
In
you
fact,
manage how do you teach them and how do you practice even that? Are there specific time periods you have allotted for both of them?
before before this accident, I used to work for longer hours, 12 hours a day. So
Mm.
longer hours. But we have an interruption. I'll continue to do continue our video. So before that, I used to work longer hours. I had a child, but
Mm.
still I work for longer hours for the sake for economic stability, of course. But now I have decided to reduce my hours to say 5 or 6 hours. That's it, not more than that. If patients come, that's fine. If they don't, I'm fine. God will give me 2 times food. That's what I have decided. I'm not
Mm.
run. I'm not run after patients. If they want, they can come to me within certain amount of time only, and the rest of the time
Mm.
I'll do for my personal leisure, my personal hobbies. I want to learn guitar, tennis, and much more. I want to learn Bengali, Malayalam, and Gujarati as well. So I have lots of things to learn.
Mm.
So I want to devote that time to other things rather than just slogging the life, earning money, and then living the life after retirement. I want to
Mm.
live it right now.
Mm. Yes, very nice. So are you also a kind of social activist or something like working for people, living in the huts or something? Because I happened to see one of your short where you were talking something about, there was a lot of disturbance in the audio, but there's something of that sort. So would you explain?
Everybody is a social activist in itself. Those who want to good, those who want to do good for society is a social activist. But the only thing is we don't dare to do what we believe in.
Mm.
So it has always been my, soft corner that I always wanted to do something for these kids and
Mm.
economically weak. But
Mm.
after that incident, I decided that had I been in ICU, what would I have what would I have done if I had a second chance? So this is my second chance. So I want to live it the way I want.
Mm.
I want.
Mm. Right. So, what is the thing of your? Yeah, I'm asking you too many questions.
Regarding you,
No, no, I'm, back to back asking you questions, right? Is it too much? You want to ask me something?
no, no, I'm okay. You ask me questions because I'm comfortable with this is my I'm in a, initial stages of my career in this YouTube journey. So the more
Okay.
I speak, people come to know about me and my work. And the thing is,
Yes.
I want people to donate books, instruments, musical instruments, equipment, etc., but not money. But if you keep on donating money, as a human being, my greed may come into it. So
Right.
always donate physical things so which cannot be misused by anyone, even by me in the future. So always donate in terms of books only. I'll give my address in the link in your channel. Please give the address. Those who wants to donate books, instruments, everything. We want to develop an overall personality, not unidimensional thing. Even though my channel is named after a movie called Super 30, which is based
Mm.
on IITS, but I want to make those children an all-rounder. The next Neeraj Chopra should come. The next Sania Mirza and the next Shreya Ghoshal should come from our batch, not just
Mm.
the IIT. So this is our
Mm.
vision. This is
Mm. So, what's the name of your channel?
MH Super 30. MH stands for Maharashtra Super 30. 30. MH Super 30. That's the name of
Mm.
the channel.
So, are you a movie buff? Did you get inspired by watching the movie or something?
Yes, I have always been a movie buff. When
Mm.
I have realized perspectively, yeah. I like Three Idiots. I like Tare Zameen
Mm.
Par.
Mm.
Super 30. I like
Mm.
uh, I like this kind of movie, and I'm literally inspired by each and every scene. Border movie, yes, border movie. Today I was, watching a shot from a border movie where the Major
Mm.
Kuldeep Singh is standing in front of border,
Mm.
without hesitation. When he comes back, he starts laughing and says, "This confidence comes from faith in my God, and my
Mm.
God is with me, not with my enemy." This is the dialogue of Sunny
Mm.
Deol. So I just remembered that. So I am
Mm.
literally a combination of movies and dialogues. That's what I would say.
Okay, very nice. Very nice to meet you. So if you have any questions for me, you can go ahead.
Don't have any questions. I'm really nice to talk to you, and I
Mm.
would love to do more sessions with you with different topics. We'll have a specific topics, and we'll have a debate or discussion on a certain topic, so that we can discuss on a neutral thing instead of just revolving around my life only.
Yes, yes, sure. Okay, I'll see you in another session then.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Bye bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. Thank you.